Part 3, guys. Yeah, no, there's no way.
Really? What could make me feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables?
I know what can make you feel better.
You can eat out of the bowl and with a spoon
The spoon.
and add the vegetables and make
Soup. Soup. Vegetable soup.
vegetable soup.
Yes.
That's it. Blue thinks I need Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper's famous vegetable soup to feel better.
Yes.
We just figured out
Blue's Clues. You look like you're gonna sneeze again.
We just figured out Blue's Clues.
He can't do it because he's like, oh, I'm not feeling good. We feel Blue's Clues.
Because we're really smart now.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
With the it's a flu. I don't know if that's a.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper, for making my vegetable soup.
Is he really? This is what the doctor ordered.
Look who's here. It's
Shovel and pail. And Jill. For everybody.
This vegetable soup really is a cure for the sniffles.
Yep.
Thank you so much for helping me feel better today.
I mean, he needs a couple more moments to get better.
Thank you so much for all your help today.
Yeah.
Now it's time for
He's really starting to feel better. Just one more song. Anything. Do anything that we wanna do. Alright, guys, so that was Steve Gets the Sniffles, and apparently I think some other people had it too a little bit, and it was Pail and Shovel were good doctors. So if I have to rate this episode, I'm rating it a 8 out of 10. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, subscribe, turn the notification bell, check out Ian Preston. My first channel link will be in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love y'all.